everybody, and it is Artistic Kids back with another video today. So now you might be wondering, what are we doing today? Because this looks a lot different than what we've been working on. So, as you can see, this looks like code.org, and it also says right here code.org. So we are in code.org, but this is another section of code.org. It's called App Lab. So in App Lab, you actually get to build your own apps. So like for example, right now, we're going to build a square calculator where it's gonna, if you enter a number, it's gonna tell you what's the square number of it. So basically what we'll be doing here is first we're gonna have to go into the design section. And once we go into the design section, you'll see that you have a lot of options here. So the first thing that you want to do is get a label that it says ABC here. So then it'll say text here. So you just expand it and then you type what you want to. So for our project, we're going to be saying enter a number and get the square number. So as you can see, we actually can't see the word number. So we'll just have to do that so that it gets a little bigger. Okay, so like the A wasn't in the right spot. So now we got this done. So now what you want to do is just get this button, and it will say button, but then you're going to text again and you will do calculate, at least in this case. So calculate right there. Let's just move it there. So now we're gonna have to get the like where you put the actual number. So that's gonna be called a text input. So we can actually move this down a bit. So like that. So in the text input, the user who's using this can type anything they want. So, I mean, in this case, you're gonna have to type numbers, or else you won't get an answer. So, yeah, so you'll have to type numbers in my case. But if you doing another project, you can literally do whatever you want, as long as it works though. You gotta make sure of that. So now we'll just take another label, and it will say area, because we're gonna have to calculate, because we're going to be calculating the area. And we'll put another one right here where the answer will come in, and also there has to be nothing in there. So we can get another label right here, and we can say perimeter. Now maybe some of these words you might have heard somewhere, like the word area and the word perimeter. I don't know if you did, but you probably heard of the word perimeter because, I mean area, because like a lot, it's used in like a lot. So we have now finished the design for our project. So after we finish our design, we'll want to go into code, So we will just get the event block, which is called onEvent. And what we'll be doing, so in the ID, we'll be entering button 1, because if you hover right over whatever one of the features, like for example this, it says label 1, this is text input 1, this is button 1, this is label 2, this is label 3, label 4, label 5, and the parts where it's empty, it's just going to say screen 1. So for example, right now we'll have to put in the ID button 1, so right there, and then we're going to have to say when you click button 1, which we have right here, we have to make it we have to like make the computer like type the text. So what we'll have to get in order for that, so like we have to get set text right here, and we're going to have to do, so we just enter in label 3, and so then we'll have to go into math, get this, and then we'll have to go in here, and then we'll have to do get text. Just put 2 get texts in there. So this the ID will be for all of them will be text input 1, which is right here. So we just put text input 1 there, and then we get another set text. This time we want the ID to be label 5, so label 5, and then we do the same thing where we get the multiplication, but this time we only get 1 get text. So 1 get text, which will say label 5, and it's going to say set text label 5, get text label 15 times 4. So this should be all the code you need. So let's just click run, and for example, let's just enter 2, and let's calculate, and we get 4 and 0. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, comment, and share my video, and hope you have a great day. Bye!